Welcome back. Yeah. Hello and welcome back to another Frontenac challenge. It is September and it is windy, which is why I'm doing the intro in the vehicle right now, because you probably won't hear much of what I have to say out there. And yeah, we're just waiting at the boat launch right now. Somebody's just taking out their boat and we'll be hitting the water. We got probably about a 2-hour paddle ahead of us. It's, like I said, it's really windy and it looks like we're gonna have a headwind the entire time. We're gonna show you guys how we make pizza. We're gonna make some pizza for supper tonight and use the Outback oven. And pizza right from scratch. We're gonna make the dough, we're gonna make it all, okay? See you out there on the water. Here, yeah?
Just got out on a double lake. We're just checking to see where to go. Oh, look at this gooder right here.
We're here. Why do you have water in there?
For the yeast.
Okay.
We're making our pizza. Right now I just have the flour and the yeast in here. Gonna add the hot water. We didn't bring sugar, did we?
So we're hoping that this works out because we forgot to bring sugar, and apparently you need sugar for yeast to rise.
Yeast?
Didn't you?
Well, I did. I just forgot the sugar. But it's quick rise, or quick rise instant yeast, so it should work.
So as Haley is doing her homework here and keeping an eye on the food, I'm just sitting here and conjuring up some ideas for future videos. Pretty chill. So as you may have been able to tell from that last shot there, the dough is actually rising, which is wonderful. That was the only real concern we had. Now it's smooth sailing.
Just frying them up so that they're more like pepperoni. I'm just poking the holes in the bottom of the pizza so that it can get some more heat up into the actual pizza. the Outback oven. Scorch pad goes onto the stove with the wire facing up. And then there's the pan with the pizza in it. Put that right on top of the scorch pad. Lid goes on top of that. And then there's the actual reflective bit on it. That needs to go over top of everything. So the shield as well. And then you leave it on low and let it cook. And then we should have some pretty good pizza.
Gonna let you guys in on a little secret. I figured out a great idea for future videos. It's gonna get tons of views. Bigger fish.
That was good. Keep it on for a little bit longer.
So we think the first pizza's done. That's right, the first pizza. Oh, the bottom looks good. Oh yeah, look at this. Crust is crispy and soft, and this is delicious. Okay, so we just finished supper. That was super delicious. We're just gonna do some dishes now and maybe head out and do some fishing. Well, we just got back from fishing. Didn't really catch anything, almost. We caught it, we just didn't land it. So we're gonna try again tomorrow and see what we can get. Right now we're just gonna light the campfire, have a relaxing night, and we'll catch you when it's bright and sunny. Not ready to go. I want to like just stay and hang out all day, another 3 nights, but I gotta go to work.
Little snot rocket, is that what you call it?
It's an okay bass. Oh, Haley's on. She's got herself a bass. Another one for Haley. Okay, so we're back at the boat launch. Part 8 Frontenac Challenge is complete. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw, and subscribe if you want to see more. Anyways, we'll catch you later.